Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I'm your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services, and today we are going to start unit number 11. I hope you are doing well at your home. Hmm? So, open your book, page number 46, unit number 11, seasons. Okay, beta, keep your book with you. Okay, beta. Page number 46. Open your book, page number 46, unit 11, seasons. Okay, so today, inshallah, we are going to learn about unit number 11, season, which is very interesting and a beautiful topic as well. So, what are seasons? You know about it? The different times in a year are called season. The different times in a year are called season. Okay, and there are four seasons in a year. Sometimes, because sometimes like there is too much cold and we wear sweaters, coats, and sometimes weather gets too hot and sunny. And sometimes we enjoy the rainy season. Do you like the rain? And nowadays we are enjoying the rainy season. Okay, and sometimes trees are full of with the green leaves and the flowers, and sometimes there is no leaf on the tree. So what are these changes? What are these different changes that we observe throughout the year? These different changes bring the different seasons. Okay, beta, these different changes in the environment brings the different seasons. Okay, so the different times in a year are called seasons. The different time in a year are called seasons, and there are four seasons. We have all four seasons in our country, Pakistan, but most countries of the world have four seasons. Okay, beta, most countries, but not all countries. Okay, most countries have four seasons. Remember this point. But different countries of the world have different timings and different length of each season. Here, length means how long the season goes on. Like in Pakistan, we have longer summer. Summer means hot and sunny days, and shorter winters. Okay, shorter winters. Winters mean cold days. Okay, do you know the seasons occur in a continuous cycle? Cycle means, you know it. Cycle means something that happens over and over again, but in a sequence. They occur in a sequence. Like there are four seasons in a year. So the first one is spring. You can see on your screen. The first one is spring. Okay. And the second is summer. The second is summer. It means summer comes after spring. It means summer comes after spring. Okay, got it? And the third is fall season. Fall is also called autumn season. Okay, beta, autumn and fall season is the same season. Okay, autumn season is also known as fall season. Okay, it means autumn comes when summer ends. When this summer ends, the fall season comes. Okay, the autumn season comes. Okay, got it? And the fourth and the last one is the winter season. Okay, remember this sequence, beta. This is the last season, winter. So spring, summer, fall means autumn, and winter. Okay, repeat it with me, all of you, beta. Be attentive. First season is spring, very good. Second, summer. Then after summer, fall or autumn season, and then winter season. Okay, so how many seasons in a year? Four. There are four seasons in a year. Tell me the name of the season. Spring. And when spring ends, which will be the next? Yes, summer season. And the third is autumn or fall season. Autumn season or fall season. And when this autumn or fall season ends, which season will come next? Winter. Yes, if your answer was winter, then clap for yourself. Very good. Now we will talk about the each season. Okay, beta, the spring season. But beta, every season affect all living things. So who are living things? Animals, plants, humans, means people. Okay, we all are living things. Why different season affect us? Because of the changes in the weather. Because of the changes in the weather, the different season affects our lives. Okay, so the first one is the spring season. Okay, in the spring season, because spring is a very beautiful season. Spring is a very beautiful season. Why? I will tell you. Okay, so spring begins as soon as the winter ends. Okay, I have told you that season occur in a continuous cycle from spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Then again, spring. Okay, because this is a continuous cycle. Okay, winter is the last season. So what will happen after winter? What will happen after winter? Yes, the spring. Spring is the next season after winter. Okay, so in winter, the winter in the winter season, in the winter season there is a very cold because of the mountains. All these things are covered with the snow. Okay, beta, all the mountains, grass, trees, all things looks white because these all are covered by the snow. Okay, but when the winter ends, but when the winter ends, the snow begins. The snow begins to melt from the mountains top. Where is the mountains? Look here in the picture. These are the mountains, and you can see the white. What is this white thing? Snow. The snow. Okay, all these things are covered with the snow. But when the winter ends and spring begins, the snow on the top of the mountains and everything begins to melt. Okay, begins to melt like the ice becomes water. Okay, snow begins to melt from the mountains top, and after that we can see a beautiful spring season. Why? Because now we can look everything. Okay, we can look everything. You can see a picture on your screen. In the spring season, you can see everything like beautiful flowers, grass, trees, flowers, even the mountains, because there is no more snow in spring season. So spring is a very beautiful season. Okay, and birds come back to warmer days and nights. Birds come back to warmer days and night. Beta, in the winter season, in the cold season, birds fly away to warmer places where they can find food and home because of the cold. Because of the cold, the birds fly away. Birds fly away to warmer places. But when the spring begins, those birds come back. Okay, in the spring season, those birds come back to warmer days and nights. Why? Because in spring season, the nights and the days are warmer, and birds can live happily here in the spring season because they can find food easily and make nests, and eggs they lay eggs in the nest. Okay, so the birds are happy in the spring season, so they come back in the spring season. Okay, got it. Now the fourth, why it is a very beautiful season? Because The young plants begin to grow and turn green. Young plants means beta the new leaves. The new leaves and the birds of the flower grow. Okay, the birds are a baby flower. Okay, birds means buds. Birds means baby flower. So the young plants means new leaves and the birds grow in the spring season. And flowers bloom and bees and butterflies collect nectar from them. Flowers bloom. Okay, you can see here a beautiful flower. Okay, the flower bloom in the spring season. Okay, spring is a beautiful season because the new leaves grow and the flowers bloom in the garden, in the parks, and everywhere. You can see beautiful, colorful flower on the trees as well as on the trees, in the parks, in your garden. Do you have a plant or flowery plant in your garden? The flower bloom in the spring season, and it makes everything very beautiful. And the bees and butterflies, bees. Okay, you can see here bees and butterflies collect nectar from them. What is a nectar? Nectar is a sweet liquid, beta. Nectar is a sweet liquid like honey. Honeybees, you know about the honeybees? Honeybees also collect nectar from the flowers. Okay, honeybees also collect nectar from the flower because nectar is a sweet liquid. Do you know what is this? Yes, honey. Honey is a sweet liquid. Okay, beta, are you getting my point? Beta, this is all about the spring season. So the main points of the spring season, tell me, it is a very beautiful season because the leaves grow and the flowers bloom and the bees, butterflies collect nectar from them and birds come back in spring season. Okay, get it, Beta? Are you getting my point? So, what will be the next season? Anyone tell me? Yes, the summer season. Summer is the next season. After the spring, summer comes. Okay, beta. Do you know we have longer summer? Longer summer means we have hot sunny days. We have longer hot sunny days in our country. Okay, it gets warm and sunny. In the summer season, it gets warm and sunny because the weather is too hot. The sun shines so bright. We need fan and air conditioner AC to keep ourselves cool. Okay? The days are long and hot because the sun shines so bright. So the days are very hot and sunny, and the days are long and hot in summer season. Okay, days are hot and long in summer season, and we usually prefer to wear the light clothes to keep ourselves cool. Light clothes means like a t-shirt, okay, and other shirts, light shirts and slippers, and we usually wear shorts and sunglasses to protect our eyes when we go out in the hot sunny days. Okay, summer is a very hot season. The days are very long and we wear light clothes to keep ourselves cool. Okay, so where do we like to go in summer? Beach, seaside. Yes, people go to the seaside to keep cool. Okay, and we also like to go to the seaside to keep ourselves cool in hot and sunny days. Why? Because of the water. We feel good and relaxed when we go near the water in the hot days. Yes, do you? Do you like to go to the seaside like CVU, Hawks Bay, and beach in summer season? Yes, I do like also. And we like to have ice cream, cold drinks, watermelon and juices. Okay, beta? But when we feel hot and warm, what we like to drink? We like to drink juices. cold drinks, and ice cream. What we like to what would we like to eat? Ice cream. Ice cream in the summer season, and the juices, different juices, and the fruits like a watermelon. Okay, so this is all about the summer season. Summer season is a very hot season. The days are very hot and long, and because of this, we like to go to the seaside, okay, near the water. And what we usually wear in the summer season? Yes, we wear light clothes, and we like to have ice cream, cold drinks, and watermelon and juices in the summer season. So, what will be the next season? Anyone? Autumn. So, let's start the autumn season. Okay, autumn season is also known as fall season. Okay, bete? Autumn season is also known as fall season. And autumn comes just before winter. Okay, beta, we talk about the sequence of the season. Okay, the first season is the spring, then summer, then autumn, then winter. Okay, so autumn season is in between the summer and winter. Okay, autumn season is in between the summer and winter. Okay, a cool, a cool, dry wind blows. Wind means strong air with a moving air. Okay, a cool, dry wind blows, making the leaves dry and fall from the trees. Okay, look at your screen. Because of the cool dry wind, leaves on the trees become dry, and then they turn into yellow, red. You can see here the yellow, red, and brown color. And after that they will fall from the trees. Okay, the leaves fall from the trees. So this is why autumn is called fall season. Okay, autumn is called fall season because the leaves fall from the trees. Okay, beta, remember this point. Leaves fall from the trees in autumn season. So autumn season is also known as fall season. Okay, now the third point is all the trees look bare. What does that mean? Look at your screen. The trees, bare means beta? Bare means the trees are without leaves. Okay, bare means trees are without leaves. You can see on your screen, all the trees look bare because the leaves have fallen from the trees. The leaves are on the ground, and there are no leaves on the trees. So all the trees look bare in autumn season. Okay, beta? Are you getting my point? So the next is animals that sleep during the winter begin collecting and eating food. Okay, animals that sleep during the winter begin collecting and eating food. Okay, but as we all know, the next season will be the winter. In winter, there is too much cold outside, and we stay at home during the winter. And we usually sit in front of the heaters, and we usually in the blanket. Okay. Similarly, animals also don't go outside in the winter because of the cold. They find a place to rest. Okay, they find a place to rest and sleep in the winter season. Okay, because they know that there is very much cold outside, and that they cannot go outside. Okay, so in this spring season, animals begin collecting and eating food. Okay, so they all know it very well that they cannot go outside to collect food in the next cold season, in the winter season. So they collect food. So they collect food for the cold days, for the upcoming cold days. Okay, in the autumn season, the animals begin to collect food. Look at this squirrel at your screen. Oh, this squirrel is so smart and collecting the food for the next cold days. Okay. So number fifth is birds fly away to warmer places where they can find food and shelter. Okay, birds fly away to warmer places where they can find food and shelter. Because in this season, autumn, animals and birds, okay, animals and birds prepare for the next season. Next season is a very cold season, winter season, okay. So birds also know that the cold days are coming soon. So birds fly away. So birds fly away to the warmer places. Warmer means hot. Hot places where they can find food. Okay, beta, are you getting my point? Birds fly away to warmer places where they can find food and shelter. Shelter means home. Shelter means home. Like you can see here on your screen, birds are in the nest. Okay, so this is a shelter for the birds. Okay, beta. So today we have learned three seasons. So there are now you can tell me the definition of the season. What is season? The different times in a year are called season. Okay. And how many seasons are there? Four. There are four seasons in a year. Okay, that occur in a sequence. The first one is spring. Okay, the first one is spring, and the second is summer. After the summer, fall and fall and autumn. Very good. And the last one is winter. Okay, the spring season. First one is the spring and the beautiful season. The snow begins begins to melt with as soon as the winter ends. Snow begins to melt from the mountains. Okay, mountains and the everywhere. Okay, so spring begins as soon as the winter ends. Okay, spring, summer, autumn, winter, then again spring. So it means spring begins as soon as the winter ends. The snow begins to melt from the mountains. Now we can see everything. The greenery, the beautiful flowers, the green trees in the spring season. And birds come back to warmer days and nights because they can easily find food here in the spring season. Okay, beta, remember this point. Birds come back. Birds come back in the spring season. Okay, birds come back in the spring season. Okay, young plants begin to grow and turn green. Okay, the flowers bloom and the bees and butterflies collect nectar from then, okay, in the spring season, the new plants, new leaves, new birds grow, new flowers bloom. Okay, beta, the flowers bloom in the garden, in the park, and everywhere. Okay, and this make the flower blooming makes this season very beautiful. Okay, got it? And the next after the spring, summer season comes, okay, and it gets very warm and sunny in the summer season. The days are very long and hot because the sun shines so bright, okay, and we wear light clothes to keep ourselves cool. These are the example of light clothes. And we wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from the sunlight. And the people go to the seaside. Look at the picture. These kids are really enjoying at the seaside in the hot summer. Yes. So people go to the seaside in the summer season, and we like to have ice cream, cold drinks, watermelon, and juices in the hot summer season. Got it? And after the summer, autumn. Autumn comes just before winter. Okay, after summer and before winters because autumn is in between the summer and winter season. So a cool dry wind blows, making the dry leaves fall from the trees, and the uh, color of the leaves changes in the autumn season. Okay, because they get dry and their color change into yellow, red, and brown, and the leaves then fall from the trees. So all the trees look bare. Okay, bare means without leaves. Why? Because leaves are here on the ground. The leaves have fallen from the trees and all the trees look bare. And this is why, because of the falling leaves, this is known as fall season. Autumn is also known as fall season. Okay. Animals that sleep during the winter begins eating and collecting food. Why? For the winter, for the upcoming cold days. They know it very well. The next season is winter. So the animals that sleep during the winter begin collecting and eating food. Okay, look at the squirrel. It is so smart. Birds fly away to warmer places where they can find food and shelter home easily. Okay, they know it very well. Birds and animals also know that after the autumn season, the winter comes. So the birds fly away, go away to warmer places. Okay, so they can find food and shelter easily. Okay, beta. This is all about today. Inshallah, we will continue this chapter in the next class. Okay, so this is your home task. Take a screenshot and picture of this. Okay, beta, question number one is, beta, we have learned three season today. Okay, we have learned three season today and we will continue the same chapter in the next class. Okay, so that you can get it easily. Okay, or beta, read the chapter. Okay, read each and everything. The season chapter is a quite long, so read everything, every single line from your book and read the blanks carefully. Okay, and learn it. Okay, so the question number one is, define season. Okay, beta, you can define the season. Yes, the different times in a year are called season. And write four lines on spring. Beta, you can get this definition from the slide and from your book. Book page number 46 as well. Definition of the season. And write four lines on spring and summer season. It is also given in your slide. And spring season, for spring season, book page number 46. Okay, you can get it from page number 46. And summer season, page number 47. Book page number 47. Okay, it is also given in the slide. Beta, you can write it from anywhere. Okay, from the book or from my slides as well. Or question number two is, observe the given picture, identify the season and write four lines on it. Okay, beta, what will you do in this picture? You don't need to, beta, listen to me carefully. You don't need to draw this picture in your copy. Okay, don't draw this picture in your copy. What will you do? Observe this picture. Okay, you will only observe this picture and you will identify the season. Okay, identify the season. Identify means, what season is this? Okay, if you know the answer, this is the identification. You will write the heading identification, then you will write the name of this season, and this is very clear. The red, yellow, brown leaves are falling from the trees and the tree look bare. So this is the what season? Yes, you know the answer. And write four lines on this season. Okay, beta? What will you do? You will identify the season and you will write the four lines about this season. Okay, this is your home task, beta. Take a picture or screenshot of this. Okay, take a picture or screenshot of this home task. Okay, beta. God bless you all. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.